Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the easy steps to activate your American Express credit card so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Gather your card and information. First, locate your new American Express credit card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal information ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official American Express activation website at americanexpress.com/activate or log in to your American Express online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section and enter your card number along with the required information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the number listed on the sticker attached to your new card or on the back of your card. Follow the automated instructions and provide your card details and personal information. You may also be prompted to create a PIN if your card supports it. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you'll receive confirmation online or during your phone call. Your American Express card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and other services. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.